How to bulk add a subfolder for the new tax year. TaxDome allows you to easily prepare to receive and file all your clients' documents for the upcoming tax year. First, you need to update a folder template. Go to Templates, Firm Templates, and click on the Folders tab. Here, you can either edit one of your existing folder templates, like this default tax years, or create a new one with just a one-year folder you need to add. I will just edit that one to add the year subfolders I need. Click on its name to open it. I will want to add a subfolder for the 2024 tax year to all three of these main folders. To do so, I need to click on the three dots on the right of the top-level folder and then select New Folder. A menu will slide out and I'll get to enter the name of the folder before clicking Save. I'll do the same for the other two top-level folders. I'll save the template and then go back to the Clients page to apply it to clients. I want to apply the template only to my tax clients, so I will filter my list with this button right here. Select the tax tag and then apply it. Now that you can see your filtered list, you can select all your tax clients by ticking this box here. After doing that, click More Actions and choose Apply Folder Template. All that's left to do is select the template you just updated and click on the Apply button. Depending on the number of clients you have, applying the template to everyone might take a couple of moments, but that will be done in the background. Just keep two things in mind when doing this. First, applying a folder template to a client that already had one applied to them will not remove any previous files and folders. Only the new contents from the folder template will be added, just like our Year 2024 folder. Second, you can easily apply a folder template in bulk, but you cannot undo that or delete folders for multiple clients in bulk. So, we recommend you first test it with a single client and then ensure you're satisfied before applying it to everyone.